and welcome to Product Management for Journalists. I'm Cindy Royal. I'm a professor at Texas State University in the School of Journalism and Mass Communication, and I'm also the director of the Media Innovation Lab, which we launched last year and where I happen to be right now. And I also lead our Digital Media Innovation Sequence, a brand new undergraduate major that we also launched last year that emphasizes the role of emerging media skills to the communication disciplines. I've been studying and teaching digital concepts and skills since 1999. I've seen how the communication professions and academic disciplines have changed over the years to incorporate digital technologies. Things like websites and social media and mobile apps. Now we're moving into areas like virtual reality and 360 video, using drones to shoot video, working with sensors to gather data, and developing bots. And even stories are supported by data journalism techniques that make them interactive and engaging and a lot of times fun for users. I began to wonder how news organizations were managing this range of digital products. I started speaking with product managers, product officers, and editors who are involved in developing digital products, and I presented the results at the University of Texas International Symposium on Online Journalism last April. When the Knight Center at the University of Texas asked me to put together this course, I was excited about the proposition of sharing some of the resources I have found with other professionals and students. So in this class, we'll be addressing the issues associated with managing digital products, especially as it relates to journalism and newsrooms. Here's what we'll cover in the 4-week course. During the first week, I will cover an overview of product management, its history and concepts, and some of the results of my research. During week 2, we'll be joined by Aaron Pilhofer, who is a professor at Temple University and has previously worked for The Guardian and The New York Times. Here's what Aaron's going to cover.
Hi, I'm Aaron Pilhofer, and my portion of the course will focus on things I'm passionate about. Things like newsroom change and building a culture of change, understanding product and product management, how to hire for change, what works and what doesn't and how to know the difference, common challenges that we all have and how to overcome them. And finally, the thing that I think newsrooms struggle with the most is how to build a strategy and how to apply it to what we do every single day. So I came to Temple University last year after 25 years in the news business, working in newsrooms, small and large. I worked on the editorial side, and I actually spent a year on the business side at The Guardian running product and technology. So I've seen it from both sides. In my side projects, Document Cloud, Hacks and Hackers, I've met journalists from around the world who have exactly the same problems and challenges that we do. So we're all in the same boat. I'm pretty excited about this class, as evidenced by this huge and very expensive microphone that I bought just for it. So I hope you are too, and I can't wait to get started.
During week 3, we'll be joined by Becca Aronson.
Hi y'all, my name is Becca Aronson, and I'm the product manager of the Texas Tribune. Like many of you, I started my career as a journalist. I covered healthcare for the Tribune during the Winnie Davis filibuster and tracked the state's abortion clinic closures. At a certain point, because I wanted to tell stories in a more immersive, digital-first way, I taught myself how to code, and I began building interactive features. I've since been the lead developer and product manager on some of the Tribune's award-winning investigations and features, including God and Governing, Boarding on Insecurity, Starstruck, and The Price of Admission. In my current role as product manager, I'm managing the development of the Tribune's main site, which includes the redesign of our homepage, story pages, and some of our auxiliary products. So I'll be teaching you how to effectively execute a product strategy. I'll share tips, tricks, lessons learned on how to manage a cross-functional team and stay true to the product strategy. We'll also talk about how to measure and outline your success. And we'll discuss how to start your team off on the right foot by breaking down the product kickoff guide I created for the Tribune. I'll also share some design thinking exercises and other strategies for fostering creativity and collaboration on your team.
I'm excited to have both Becca and Aaron working with me on this class, and I know they'll have some great practical applications on this topic to share. In week 4, I'll wrap things up with some interviews with additional people in a range of product positions at media organizations, and we'll discuss the future of this role. There are a lot of resources on product management that I'll cover in the opening lesson, but there aren't many places that talk about it in a journalism context. Over the next few weeks, we'll address some of the specific issues and challenges associated with this function to journalism, and I'll help you highlight the steps you need to take in your own organization to apply some of these methods. You'll have forum posts each week that will allow you to reflect on what we've discussed, and an exercise that will build each week and culminate in your own product management strategy. You'll also have a short quiz each week to reinforce the concepts that we cover in the modules. With a focus on communication, leadership, and strategy that product management requires, I feel that this is a key area for communication graduates who have a strong interest and aptitude with technology. I wanted to learn more about the role so I could best guide students and graduates and help prepare them. I'm excited to dive into this first module with you. I know we'll have a lot to learn from each other on this topic.